I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Stripe account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by visiting the Stripe website and logging into your account with your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for any verification steps. Step 2. Navigate to the Payment Methods section. Once logged in, find the Settings option in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it, then look for Payment Methods in the menu that appears. Step 3. Select Add a Payment Method. In the Payment Methods section, you will see an option to add a payment method. Click on this to proceed with adding your debit card details. Step 4. Enter your debit card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as errors can lead to payment issues. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your card information, click the Save button to finalize the addition of your debit card. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that your billing address matches the one on file with your bank. Happy processing!